Here, come see what's out back.
Daddy, you want to see what's in the backyard?
Daddy's gonna turn the light on.
You ready?
Is it snowing?
Oh, it's really slippery.
Really slippery?
Really slippery.
Is it lots of snow out there?
It's really slippery.
Yeah, so we gotta be careful when we walk on it. It's slippery.
Oh, it's slippery, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's slippery, Daddy.
We're gonna let Jiminy go out and play in the snow?
Oh no. No, I don't like the snow.
No? You wanna play in the snow? We'll put your boots on?
No, be very Dora.
Bobby, come on.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
No,
Oh,
no.
off the doggies.
No.
Is it super chilly out there?
No.
Oh, see, the doggies don't seem to mind. Look, Daddy broomed them a heart. Isn't that cute? There's a heart in the snow.
See the fun things you could do in the snow?
Did Daddy make a heart in the snow for the puppies? What do you think?
No, it's really slippery, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's really slippery, Daddy.
Yeah, see, we gotta be careful though.
Oh. Be really careful in the snow. It's really slippery.
Yeah, see, there's enough of it now that it's not so slippery anymore.
No, I don't like that.
No.
No, turn off the light. Don't want to look at it anymore.
You want to?
No more snow.
Oh, God.
No more snow.
No more snow.
You're gonna be in for a treat this week.